We're sitting here today with updated facilities and infrastructure in this newly created, purpose-built facility. Our goal is to face tomorrow's challenges head-on. And I couldn't be more pleased to welcome you now to the ACET Center.
The timing of this facility could not be better planned. The ACET Center opens at a critical time, especially as the Central New York and the New York State economy pursue clean energy priorities. This investment creates opportunities for graduates to address climate change while also positioning Morrisville with sustainable pathways in higher education. SUNY Morrisville is at the forefront of educating leaders in renewable energy, diesel technology, and agricultural engineering. But this facility will not only be utilized by students enrolled at SUNY Morrisville, the ACET Center is a powerful driver in workforce development in our region, and it will strengthen our workforce and industrial partnerships.
Agriculture is part of the solution, and there is no question that this combination of green energy and agriculture that's going to be happening in this building, we need to be bringing those two research areas together and having students learning about them simultaneously, because I think geothermal, solar, wind energy, all kinds of energy options are very closely intertwined with our agricultural sector as well.
Food and agriculture. Food and agriculture. That's the future. That's where we need to go. This center, the Ag and Clean Energy Technology Center, is going to focus on those needs, provide the education, provide the training to build that kind of workforce that we need so much to help support New York's growth in these industries. I think about the tools that we have in front of us. I think about the opportunities we have in front of us. I think we're in a good place. We're in a good place in New York. We're in a good place right here in Morrisville.